চলুন দেখে নেই আপকামিং ভ্যালেন্টাইন্স ডে উপলক্ষে পর্তুগিজে কী কী শব্দ ব্যবহার হয়। Dia dos Namorados, Valentine's Day, amor, love, namorado, boyfriend, namorada, girlfriend, coração, heart, encontro romântico, romantic date, cartão de Dia dos Namorados, Valentine's Day card, presente, gift, declaração de amor, declaration of love, jantar, a luz de velas, candlelight dinner, amor à primeira vista, love at first sight, flores, flower, chocolate, beijo, kiss, abraço, hug, romance, sentimento, feeling, paixão, passion, casal, couple, namorar, to date someone, amizade, friendship, poema de amor, love poem, desejo, desire, romance à distância, long distance romance, surpresa romântica, romantic surprise, troca de presentes, gift exchange, juramento de amor, pledge of love, noite especial, special night, festas dos namorados, Valentine's Day party, compromiso romântico, romantic commitment, votos de amor eterno, vows of eternal love, poema romântico, romantic poem, beijo roubado, stolen kiss, desejos de felicidade, wishes of happiness, and presente especial, special gift, momento inesquecível, unforgettable moment.